You want to know the real secret to growing your wealth? Well, believe it or not, it has a lot in common with a good bottle of whiskey. Yeah, seriously. Let's get into it.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Does it make any sense that a 25-year-old bottle of whiskey could be worth 40 times more than a 12-year-old one? I mean, how is that even possible? It sounds crazy, but the answer? Well, the answer is everything when it comes to building wealth. All right, just imagine for a second. You're standing in a cool old distillery. In front of you, there are two bottles. One is a classic 12-year-old, and right next to it is its big brother, an 18-year-old. So you point to the 12-year-old and ask how much. The owner tells you, that one's 50 quid. Okay, so your brain starts doing the math, right? The 18-year-old is just 50% older, so it should cost 50% more. 50 quid plus another 25, that's 75 pounds. Simple. That's gotta be it, right? But then the owner just smiles and says, nope, the 18-year-old, that'll be 200 pounds. Whoa, hold on, 200? That's 4 times the price for just 6 extra years sitting in a barrel. What is going on here? And it gets even crazier. Wait a few more years and a 23-year-old bottle jumps to 600 pounds. A 25-year-old, we're talking 2,000 pounds. Now, part of this is because some of it literally evaporates over time. They call it the angel's share, so it gets rarer. But look at that growth curve. That's not a straight line, folks. That's a rocket ship. So what's the real magic here? It's not just about getting older. It's about time. Uninterrupted time. That's the secret ingredient that makes the value explode. Okay, now here's where this all connects back to you. Forget the whiskey for a second. What if your money could grow just like that? The same explosive rocket ship growth? Well, it can, and this incredible force has a name. Some people have even called it the 8th wonder of the world. The secret is compounding. So what on earth is compounding? You've probably heard the term. The easiest way to think about it is like a snowball. You start with a small ball of snow at the top of a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger. And because it's bigger, it picks up even more snow, even faster. That's exactly what happens to your money. Your returns start earning their own returns. All right, enough of the analogies. Let's look at some actual numbers. Let's say you start putting aside just 100 pounds a month. And just for this example, let's pretend you get a 15% return every year. Now look, that's pretty optimistic. It's just to show you how the math works. So what happens? Okay, so after 12 years, that 100 pounds a month has grown to a pretty respectable 40,000 pounds. Not bad. But watch this. Just 6 years later, at the 18-year mark, it's shot up to 100,000 pounds. It more than doubled. And if you let it run for 25 years, that same 100 pounds a month turns into a mind-blowing 328,000 pounds. See, just like the whiskey, the real growth happens later on. This is so important. The secret to getting wealthy isn't about timing the market perfectly or having a ton of cash to invest. The single biggest factor is how much time you give your money to grow. It's about starting as early as you possibly can. So when's the best time to plant a tree? Well, 20 years ago. But the second best time, it's right now. The same exact thing is true for investing. The best time to start was yesterday, but the next best time is today.